Hello cat people! Welcome to the Catlady Christmas Calendar, day 19. I'm Catlady Antigoni and today I'm gonna tell you my 5 favorite skincare and hair care products for 2022. In this video I'm gonna tell you which were my favorite skincare and hair care products in 2022 because I feel I'm talking a lot about makeup, but at the same time I'm trying quite a lot of skincare products and I don't really talk about them, and now that's kind of the end of the year, I would like to give some light on them and tell you why I like what I like. And let's not be negative today, let's not talk about the products that I didn't like. So if you are ready for this, let's start! At number 1, I actually have 2 products, and no, I'm not cheating because I actually use them together as a shampoo and then a conditioner, so I don't have a separate opinion about them. And since I'm always using them as a set and I see what they are doing as a set and they are from the same series as well, I find it quite fair to talk about them at the same time. And of course I'm talking about the gel shampoo from Body Shop, the tea tree for oily hair and scalp purifying and balancing with vegan silk protein, and the same conditioner from the same series. Actually, they are working perfectly for my super oily hair. I mean, they don't make my hair feel dry and unnice, but at the same time they kind of prevent my scalp from being extremely oily, and having to do this was quite a nightmare for me, so I'm very thankful for these 2 products. Actually, I have taken them for my empties. They are empty right now, but I have repurchased them because I love them so much. At number 2, I have from Chi the Silk Infusion. Actually, this is a mini size and I bought it just to try it because I didn't have any idea if this is working on me, if I'm gonna like it, if it's gonna make my hair more oily, which I really hate, as I was telling you before. So I bought the absolute mini size with 59 ml. I bought it, I don't know, maybe last summer, not summer of 2022, summer of 2021, when I start fully bleaching my whole hair and dyeing them, and kinda the edges became quite dry without being mega dry, so I wanted to try this product. It's working perfectly. It doesn't make my hair oily, but my edges are feeling so soft and smooth, and I feel that this product has prevented a lot of damage in my hair. If you're bleaching and dyeing your hair, I highly recommend you this product. I've been using it for 1.5 years and it's still somewhere here, like in the middle, so definitely worth the money. And if I finish it, I'm gonna buy the huge size, so I'm gonna make sure that I will have it for a lifetime. Are you ready to talk about some skincare products now? Because at number 3, I have from Body Shop the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash, and actually it is infused with tea tree oil, and I'm dying. You know how much I love tea tree based products, and let me tell you, this is working perfectly for my oily skin, and it doesn't make my skin overly dry, if this makes sense to you. I'm using it 2 times per day, one before my morning skincare and one at night before I do my night skincare. This is actually working perfectly on my skin because I have tried a million different facial washes and some of them were doing a great job at clearing my face. I was feeling that my face were extremely clean, but it was extremely dry as well, and I don't like this for my face because I'm doing a lot of makeup, and yes, I'm super oily, but I don't like to reach the other side of the spectrum, the extreme dry skin. On the other hand, I used to have some other facial washes which, yes, they allowed my skin to be a little bit more okay, to keep its humidity, but they weren't clearing my face as well, so I feel that this specific one has the perfect balance, and that's why I love it so much. I think it's the 3rd bottle that I'm using, and I also have bought the mini size. Like, if I'm traveling, I want to have it with me. Absolutely, it is great, and I don't think that I would like to change my facial wash soon after this amazing product. At number 4, I'm gonna talk to you about the moisturizing cream that I'm using every day. So basically, I'm talking about e.l.f. and Super Hydrate, a moisturizer with hydrating squalane? Oh my god, I think I killed this word. Excuse this, I'm from Greece, like my English sometimes are not perfect. This is squalane. I hope that you understood what I'm talking about. And now let's talk about the actual cream. It is a gel-based cream. Again, I have very oily skin, and if I'm using the kind of more common white creams, they're making my skin extremely oily. And then if I do makeup, it is melting, it is becoming oily, and it's bad. Let's say that it's very bad, it doesn't look good, and I don't like this. And by the time that I found this cream, I found that this is the perfect balancing cream for my skin, because yes, I got the moisturizer that I was needing, but at the same time my skin was not very oily. The makeup was looking amazing after I applied this, but I don't think I recommend it to you if you have dry skin. I think that if you have dry skin, this is gonna be way too light for you. In general, it is a very light cream. It is exactly what I need, but I don't think that this is for everyone. But if you happen to have as oily skin as I have, this is gonna be perfect for you. And let me tell you, I have tried a lot of creams, I got some PRs as well, and I think that I don't change this with anything else that I have tried. At number 5, I'm gonna tell you about my favorite niacinamide. Wow, I said this word without any mistakes. I'm so proud about myself. Are you proud of me? Anyway, I'm talking about the niacinamide. Again, I said without mistakes. Oh my god, who am I? From The Ordinary. It contains 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. And actually, I have tried the one from Revolution and I didn't really like it as much as I like this one, at least, because although that they had the same percentage of niacinamide and zinc, I felt that this one is more effective on my skin, while the other one was like meh. Like, it was not bad, but it didn't make any difference. So when I'm using this niacinamide, I feel that I get rid of blemishes, some bad miscoloring on my skin, which I don't really like since I'm doing makeup quite a lot, and I feel that all in all it makes my skin feel more bright but not oily. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to tell you, but if you haven't tried niacinamide, I highly recommend you to give it a try. I don't think that it matters if you have dry skin or oily skin. I think that it works for everyone. Don't quote me of this. I'm not a skincare expert. I just got advice from my friend Aphrodite, who is a skincare expert, and on my oily skin this is working. So at least I can tell you, like, if you have oily skin, this is gonna make a difference in you. And it's time for the Greek word of the day. Today we are talking about a lot of skincare products, and that's why I feel that I would like to tell you the Greek word for skincare. So in Greek we say περιποίηση προσώπου. Say with me. Περιποίηση προσώπου. Περιποίηση προσώπου. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using these two words, because there are actually two words. Yeah, it's not the word of the day, it's the words of the day. Or actually tell me the word in your own native language, or tell me which is your favorite skincare product. Are you about to leave from this video? No, please stay a little bit longer, because I have one more product to talk to you about. Actually, I know I have told you that this video is gonna be about my 5 favorite skincare and hair care products, but for those of you who have stayed until now, I have a little bonus, a little surprise, and actually I'm gonna tell you about my favorite gel body scrub. It is from Body Shop. I know I have talked about a lot of Body Shop's products in this video. Let me tell you, this video is not sponsored by Body Shop. I haven't received any PR from Body Shop, but I just love their products and their series are just working for me and my skin necessities, okay? So let me describe this body scrub to you. Oh, it smells so good. It is a limited edition, at least it comes back every summer, if I'm not mistaken, because it's the refreshing passion fruit. And let me tell you, it is doing exactly this. It refreshes you because it smells so freshly without having any minty tones, but every time that I'm smelling this, I feel super energized. I feel that I wanna do stuff, and especially if I'm doing my morning showers and use it inside my shower, the whole room smells, and then I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna grab the day, I'm gonna do things today. And actually I feel that I'm kind of more productive because my brain works this way, and as a body scrub it is also working perfectly because it is very well blended, well cut. How can I say this? It's very fine, so it doesn't kind of make your skin feel bad, it's not rough, but at the same time it exfoliates perfectly. By the time that I start using it, my skin feels smoother, more bright, a little bit softer as well. So I highly recommend you to try any body scrub from the Gel Body Scrub series from Body Shop. And I don't know if you can find this specific scent because I think it's a summer thing, but I'm sure that you can find other scents in their collection. They have a quite big collection, and I'm so curious about the other scrubs that they carry, but to be honest, I really don't want to make any purchase right now because I want to make sure that I will have finished with this one first, and then I would like to move on to the next one because I want to make sure that I will make absolutely no waste. But when I finish with this, definitely I'm gonna try more from this series. And that was it. This was our video for today. Oh, by the way, if you're curious about this makeup, I have already filmed and uploaded a tutorial. It is called the Dark Christmas Makeup, so you can go down at my description box and you can find it there. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, everywhere. My name is Catlady Antigoni, and see you again tomorrow for a new video. Until then, bye!